Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the P.C.C or Protective Color Change tool. This is a great way to save some time in film for using color change PPF or even vinyl. First, notice the icon that tells you whether or not we have full body coverage for that vehicle. Choose your template, then click on the P.C.C button at the top. Push the play button. This will remove cutouts and offset the template by 1 inch. In this example, you can take the entire rear quarter and offset it for color change. This slider allows you to go from as little as 1 inch all the way up to 6 inches. Now you can nest other templates inside of it, reducing waste and overall film use. That's all for now. Make sure to like and subscribe for all the latest news and tutorial updates. Thanks for watching.